5 knee strengthening exercises to do at home. Because of their complex structure, knees are joints that tend to develop ailments and injuries, especially during adulthood. Although they are protected by ligaments, tendons, and fluids, continuous movement and age can cause the knees to deteriorate, increasing inflammation levels. However, this can be treated with knee strengthening exercises. The problem is that these ailments affect mobility, and as time passes, they cause inability or difficulty to perform daily tasks. There are medical treatments that can help minimize knee damage, but it's best to prevent it altogether with healthy habits and knee strengthening exercises. Fortunately, in addition to gym routines, there are simple low-impact activities that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Try the following exercises. Step aerobics. Normally, step aerobics require the use of a platform at the gym. However, you can also use a bench or other firm surface at home. This exercise involves making natural movements with your legs, with a focus on strengthening and lubricating your knees. How to perform the exercise. Stand on a box or other firm surface, like a bench or step, and step up and down on it as if it were a staircase. Bring one of your knees up to your chest, hold it for 2 seconds, and then descend until you touch the floor with both feet. Repeat the exercise with the other knee. Perform 15 repetitions of 3 sets. Lunges. Lunges are normally included in leg and buttock workouts, since they help tone muscles in these areas of the body. However, due to the movements involved, they are also ideal for relaxing and strengthening your knees. How to perform the exercise. Stand straight, keeping your back straight, your neck stretched and your arms at the sides of your body. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. The other leg should be stretched behind you, so that your knee nearly touches the floor. Return to your original position and perform 15 repetitions for each side. Complete 3 sets. Knees to chest. This knees to chest exercise not only helps strengthen knees, but also helps tone your abdomen and reduce lumbar pain. Various ways to perform knee to chest exercises, but we suggest this simple version. How to perform the exercise. Spread a mat or exercise rug on the floor and lie with your back to the floor, keeping your back straight and your hands next to your body. Next, bend your knees and bring them to your chest, as close to your body as you can. If you wish, you can flex both knees at the same time. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then return to the initial position and do 15 repetitions. Perform 3 or 4 sets. Quadriceps stretches. Quadriceps stretches help strengthen the muscles in the lower body, as well as the knee joint. How to perform the exercise. Stand up straight, keeping your back straight, and look ahead. Elevate your heel to your buttocks by holding your ankle with your hand, keeping your knees together. Keep your other hand next to your body, or against a wall in order to make it easier to keep your balance. Hold for 10 seconds. Rest and repeat with the opposite leg. Perform 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Squats. Although squats are known as one of the best exercises for the legs and buttocks, you may not know that they are also beneficial for your knees. How to perform the exercise. Stand up straight with your legs apart at shoulder's width, and your knees slightly bent. Stretch your arms out in front of you, and lower your buttocks as if to sit in a chair. Hold this position for a few seconds, then return to the initial position gently. As you lower your buttocks, be sure to keep your knees at a right angle. They should not stretch further than the tip of your feet. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Are you suffering from knee pain? Are you worried that they have deteriorated or that they have suffered damage? Put these exercises into practice and strengthen your knees without using any gym equipment. Keep in mind that as you improve the mobility and strength of your knees, you'll also work out other muscle groups in the body. Be sure to perform these exercises correctly, since mistakes can result in undesirable effects.